Good afternoon, Dallas-Fort Worth. This is Ask the Experts radio show on Talk Radio 1190, where we interview local professionals, experts in their field. This is the first of the month almost, and usually you're right at the first of the month, Roger, but it's not the first of the month. But Roger from Texas Green Plumbing is here. How you doing today, Roger?
You know, Anthony, I'm doing great. And actually, you're right. It's the very end of the month, and I'm here again next week.
Oh, that's awesome.
Man, you get to see my beautiful face 2 weeks in a row.
Beautiful it is.
That's a great thing.
Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. I'm just
Well, if I shave my head, I could look like him.
If you want to call the radio show, you can call us at 214 or 817-787-1190. That's 214 or 817-787-1190 if you want to get in the conversation. If you want to get a hold of Roger at any time, that's 972-442-4101 and on the web at texasgreenplumbing.com. He has a guest with him today, David Johnson. And I'm just going to go ahead and let you take care of Dave, but let me ask you this question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why did you start Texas Green Plumbing? Are you the expert plumber?
Yeah, it's a good question. Let's start with the expert plumber because I get asked that one a lot. I would never name myself the expert plumber, call myself that or anything. American Standard actually ran a contest 2 years ago, and we had just started doing video, and they wanted a video submission to apply for what they called the Next Expert Plumber, their plumber know-how contest. And I've got 38 years of experience. I've done commercial, residential. I have done new construction and service, and I've been non-union and union. And, I mean, I can pretty much answer most people's question about your typical plumbing jobs.
That constitutes as expert.
They saw it that way. They said that due to my vast knowledge in all different areas of plumbing and the fact that my video was really, really funny, they chose me. And that's been pretty cool. I started Texas Green Plumbing because I had moved up to director of operations for a big mechanical contractor.
Okay.
They were talking about getting into service. And they were putting out a lot of lip service about, we're going to tell people we specialize in this. We're going to tell people we specialize in this. We're going to tell people we got the greatest plumbers on earth. And I asked in an executive meeting one day, I said, so what are you going to do to train them? And the moving up owner of the company says, what do you mean, what are we going to do? She says, our guys have a license, so they know plumbing, and they all know customer service.
Oh, really?
And anybody who thinks if they are not training their people, that their people just understand everything, I hate to tell them that they're wrong. It's not true. So that's why I started Texas Green Plumbing. I wanted to offer a full-service plumbing company that really prided itself in taking care of people. And part of the things that we do is we do training for our plumbers, and I'm going to let that bring me around to, I'll tell you what, before I go there, the expert plumber, I love sharing my information.
Yeah, I was going to say, you also train the public.
You bet. And so we started a YouTube channel called The Expert Plumber, and we put out a lot of video content, and it teaches people how to take care of their own plumbing. Whether they're in this area or not, they can go to it, and they can subscribe and ring the bell, and they'll get to know when we're putting out any videos. The good thing is, even if they don't want to fix their own plumbing, they can at least learn enough about it to talk to their plumber when he does show up and be a more educated homeowner about their plumbing system. So in my training, when we started getting into water filtration, I started doing a lot of research to find out what system I wanted to do, what I wanted to rep, what I wanted to sell, and what I wanted to install. And that's what brought me around to Plumber's Choice Water. And it's a whole house water filtration system, and I like it. And so I brought in the guy who does the training for my guys. And David has come in and done training. Nicole's come in and done training. We've had different people come in and do it. And the good thing is we get different things from different people. But Plumber's Choice Water, people, you can go see videos and learn about the product. It's www.plumberschoice.com. And you can call them in Tennessee at 615-866-6100. So, David, welcome to the show.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Roger.
How are you doing today?
Doing fantastic. It's great to be here and help educate the general population as to the need for water treatment. So,
It's funny because Aaron Brockovich was in town probably a year ago, and I believe it was up in Frisco or Plano talking about the water.
Yeah.
You bet. And that's my area. We're in Richardson. We service Richardson, Plano, Allen, Addison, everything up around in that area.
Right.
So what is Plumber's Choice Water? Why did you start it?
So I got into water treatment about 18 years ago. And how I got into water treatment is we were having tons of pinhole leaks in copper.
Mm-hmm.
And we started really looking at it. Most of these houses were built in the late 80s. They were 5, 6, 7 years old, and they're leaking, right? And so we started digging them up, and it was all slab on grade. So we were looking at the pipe. We started analyzing the pipe, and why was this happening? And it was all due to the changes of water treatment. Where I was at, we were using chloramine as a primary disinfectant. They started using it in 1987. And chloramine was literally attacking the impurities in copper. It was creating these pinhole leaks. It was inside out. We were getting a lot of copper from China and from Mexico and had a lot of impurities in it. And the water was literally attacking the copper, creating these pinhole leaks. People were losing their insurance, major water damage, black mold, all this sort of stuff. So we had to go in and repipe these homes, but we didn't want to just set the clock back. We wanted to find a solution to make sure, this wasn't going to happen again. And we started selling whole house carbon filters. And it was fantastic. And then about 10 years ago, left that organization. We're like, why aren't all plumbers selling water treatment? I mean, this is their ground. They deal with the water from the street back out, to the house and back out to the street.
Absolutely.
Everything. So, this is their territory. They need to be offering it. So we ultimately created a program to help the general population. It's really my passion. And my message that I get across to the plumbers is, if people understood what was in their water, they would want to treat it. So we're able to educate plumbers as to the need for water treatment, provide solutions based on identifying understand who your client is, what matters to them, and really seeing what's going on inside the house.
Now, you talked about chloramine. What is chloramine? We've talked about this, so I know, but what is it?
Yeah, so chloramine is a combination of chlorine and ammonia, okay? So we use it as a disinfectant, and it's purely used as a disinfectant to keep our water safe, to kill bacteria and virus. But that's the only reason we add it. And the reason they actually add chloramine here in this Dallas market, and most markets, all your warmer markets now are using chloramine, which is chlorine and ammonia. And when they add ammonia to it, it stabilizes it in the water, doesn't allow it to off-gas as much, so it doesn't smell as bad. It's almost masking it, but it's necessary. It's necessary. It lowers the disinfecting byproduct, so it's a good thing. But the reality is when it gets to your house, it's done its job. You want to strip it away and get rid of it. So whole house carbon filtration, I'm a huge advocate of.
And let me ask you this, carbon filtration, is there a difference in filtration systems?
So when we're dealing with carbon is basically pretty much every single filtration system that you have has some component of carbon in it.
Okay.
Your refrigerator filters have carbon in it. You get a Brita filter, it's got some component of carbon in it. And then ROs, reverse osmosis drinking water, below the kitchen sink that you've got, that has a component of carbon in it. It's a great absorber. As a matter of fact, it's one of the best substances known to man as far as removing stuff from stuff. So carbon is the fundamental thing that you want to have for your house. I recommend whole house carbon filters because these things are going to last you about 13 to 15 years, average family of 4, maintenance free. So it also becomes a very good value once you install one of these things, and it's all the water in your house.
Now, you say a whole house. Why not just put it on the drinking water system?
Very good question. There's a lot of people, and that's what we also teach the plumbers to identify, all right? They got a great, filtration system below the kitchen sink, but what they don't realize is you're a big sponge, okay? 10-minute shower really is about the same as drinking 8 glasses of tap water as far as the amount of contaminants you absorb. That warm water opens up your pores, you're absorbing it in, you're also breathing in the form of chloroform gas. So really whole house carbon, not only for your health benefit of it, but it's also going to protect your plumbing system. So chlorine or chloramine being an oxidizer is going to attack anything that's rubber or plastic in your plumbing system, dries out stuff, creates pinhole leaks in copper, even plastic piping ultimately gets dried out because it is an oxidizer. So one of the number one things that you can do, and we estimate about 50% of the time, a plumber's in your house in the first place, on the potable water side or the clean water side, it's due to poor water quality. So that's what we focus on, identifying what's going on inside the house and provide whole house solutions when we're out there.
I try to get my plumbers, and for the plumbers out here listening, this is really, it's a good product. It's a good thing to help take care of your customers. And like I said, I started Texas Green Plumbing because I really wanted to take care of people.
Absolutely.
And I don't want to be an old school plumber, just jump in, fix the problem, and leave. And then they call me back next year and I go fix the problem again. And really, if I'd have gone out there and talked to them about, either hard water, which we'll talk about in a little bit, but the chlorine and the chloramine, like you said, we've got to have it because we don't want mold, mildew, and bacteria in our water when it gets to our house. That's going to lead to health issues we really don't want.
Exactly.
But
right.
we've got to have it, but we don't want it when we take a shower. We don't want it when we drink water, we make coffee, ice, whatever it is. So we did put a whole house water filtration system in. And I drink bottled water, and I drink it because of the alkalinity level. I like the higher alkaline
pH,
water.
sure.
Absolutely. So when my guys put it in, because I was doing something else that day, when they put it in, they said, oh my gosh, drink your water when you get home.
Mm-hmm.
So I had, and I drink Mountain Valley, and I had it in one glass, and I had my tap water in another, and I couldn't tell the difference. And I'm real big on taste and food and things like that.
Right.
So that was a really, really big deal. So, Anthony?
Yo, with both y'all talking right now about the words I can't pronounce anyways, it's opening my eyes.
Water.
Yeah.
It's smooth.
To make it in layman's term, there's something in our water, and everybody needs to know, David, if you ask me. It's Plumber's Choice Water. If you want to, it's on the World Wide Web at plumberschoicewater.com. Or if you want to see Mr. Roger on the web, it's texasgreenplumbing.com. If you'd like to call either, you could also do that. Oh, I'm sorry. Phone number for Roger is going to be 972-442-4101. That's 972-442-4101. Or if you'd like to get a hold of David and get a full house system you're saying here?
Yeah, so we work with plumbers all across the country. So if you're listening from somewhere outside the Dallas market, we can absolutely help you. Just go to the website at plumberschoicewater.com.
And that's 615-866-6100. If you like to call us here on Ask the Experts radio show, it's either 214 or 817-787-1190. This is Ask the Experts radio show on Talk Radio 1190. I'm Anthony Cernillo, and we'll be right back after these messages.